Hello everybody, my name is Aditi Pasricha and here I am presenting to you the PowerPoint presentation of effects of climate change on agriculture. Here's what you're going to learn by the end of this PPT. How climate affects agriculture, what is climate change, impact of climate change on farming, adapting agriculture to climate change, and the methods that can be adopted. First things first, we need to learn how climate affects agriculture. Agriculture is extremely vulnerable to climate change. Higher temperatures eventually reduce yields of desirable crops. While encouraging weed and pest pro-life filtration, changes in precipitation patterns increases the likelihood of short-run crops failure and long-run production declines. What is climate change? Climate change is a change in the pattern of weathers and related changes in oceans, lands, surfaces, and ice-wide sheets, occurring over time scales of decades or longer. Impact of climate change on farming. We know what climate change is and how it affects agriculture. Now, let's dive deeper into how climate change affects farming. Farming throughout the globe has its own specifics that depends on weather conditions, with climate change impact on agriculture being tremendous. Climatic particularities nowadays are not the same as they were before. Analyzing how climate change affects agriculture, agriculturists have to adopt methods that they never previously tried. Adapting agriculture to climate change. Climate change can be very risky, as we also learned in the previous slides, because this is something that is inevitable. So we need to learn how to adapt our agricultural forces to the climate change. Changing weather introduces a number of issues for farm owners to address. And climate change adaptation strategies in agriculture are objectives of primary importance. My friend Sachet would like to give you an idea on methods that you can use to preserve your crops as the weather continues to change.
Now we are going to talk about methods that can be adopted. Ensuring ecosystem compatible drainage, improved irrigation efficiency, rainwater harvesting, precision farming, cover crops, no tillage or minimum tillage, crop diversification and rotation. Ensuring ecosystem compatible drainage. Proper water infiltration prevents flooding and water logging, as well as helps to avoid chemical and water leakage. It enables farmers to reduce the usage of water resources and tackle soil erosion. Improved irrigation efficiency. Irrigation is vital for vegetation. In the lack of rainfall, and water supply should be sufficient to ensure stable plant development. Nonetheless, improved irrigation systems and drip or tape irrigation in particular help farmers to provide necessary moisture with reduced water spend. Rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainfall is an economic method of water supply that is valuable in drought subjected areas. This additional source of moisture saves water resources, yet involves extra inputs to operate rainwater storages. Cover crops. Planting cover crops is a successful method of farming that helps to prevent soil erosion, promotes water retention and nitrogen fixation. Thank you. Have a nice day.